They asked me to run the vehicle for 30-40 minutes. I did, and at the end of that trip, I did a voltage check on the battery. It was still reading at 10.69. Before we charged it, it was at 8.64 volt, and after half an hour of running, it was at 10.69. I know it was not still at 12 volt mark, but I thought it should not be a problem. Again, when I tried to start the vehicle today morning, it was at 8.64.
That's not enough. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what's going on. Can you pop the hood for me? So you used roadside yesterday. They came out, jump start, nothing worked.
Yeah,
Well,
I mean,
it worked, but
worked, and
later on you tried to come back out and do it again.
yeah,
it didn't work.
Morning, yeah.
All right, gotcha. All right, let's see if we can figure out what's going on. First things, gonna double check our connections, make sure those are good. I don't see any corrosion. All right, so let's see where we're at on this. That looks good. Just double check voltage. So you have a tester. How do you know it was 8.6?
I have a multimeter.
Multimeter, okay.
Yeah.
8.3, okay. All right, so crank it. Start it.
Start it?
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, I do not know why the battery drains. It is fairly new. Not when I say fairly new, it is like 2 years, I would say.
Oh.
But it was, we commute 70 miles on a daily basis.
Mm-hmm. But 2 years is old for a battery.
Oh.
Only a warranty. It's only gonna be a warranty for 2 years, 2 to 3 years, no matter where you buy the battery.
Oh.
Yeah, so 2 years is old for a battery. From what I'm looking at, you see how it's holding 14 volts here?
Sure.
That means that your alternator is working properly.
Okay.
So the issue is going to be your battery. It's time to replace your battery. See how if you smell the egg, the rotten egg?
Yeah.
It's your battery.
Oh.
Yeah, the issue is the battery. You're going to have to replace your battery. Replace the battery, everything is going to be good. Yeah, see here? See how it's wet looking here?
Yeah.
And it's dry looking here?
Yeah.
It's leaking. That's your battery.
Oh.
Because when I put my gauge on and it shows 14, that says that the alternator is doing what it's supposed to do. The alternator is charging properly. So the alternator is recharging the battery. It's just that when you turn the car off, the battery dies because the cell inside the battery is not storing the power.
Okay.
So replace the battery and you're gonna be fine.
Okay. I'm just wondering if my battery replacement is covered under my battery warranty.
It should be. You said this is about 2 years old?
Yeah.
It may still be under warranty. I would check and see. You bought the car from Honda? Call them, ask them, hey, is my battery still covered? I'm having battery issues.
Okay.
They'll tell you, hey, battery's covered or not covered. If it's not covered, still, this battery shouldn't be very, very expensive. It's very small.
But today is Sunday, right? Today and tomorrow, that's the problem.
Do you have anyone else that can help jumpstart you? Like if you know.
My friends over here, I mean, I have to check. They may have the jumpstart cable, for which they need to pop the hood and do all sort of things.
Right. The reason why I'm asking is because my advice is take your car, turn it around.
Okay. Sure.
So if you have somebody to help you, you don't have to wait for roadside. you can get somebody to help you, because the battery is your only issue.
Right.
You jump start, you're gonna go about your business, but you gotta change the battery. Once you change the battery, you won't need a jump start anymore. But you have to change the battery. That's where your issue is. Okay.
One more thing. So I should always start with the negative cable, right?
Yes, always start with the negative cable.
Okay.
Negative, positive.
Negative.
Yeah. Same thing on the vehicle that's using you to jump start. Same thing, negative, positive.
Okay.
When you put your negative on, let them put their negative on.
Sure.
You put your positive on, let them put their positive on, or vice versa. If you have to do them one at a time, you put your negative, do their negative, do your positive, do their positive.
And then ask them to crank
and
the
then
engine.
and you crank your engine, because they don't have to, their engine is already running.
Okay.
So you crank your engine. Simple.
Thanks so much.
But
Yep.
fix this,
Sure.
change that out, and you're gonna be fine. This is leaking. That's bad. This should be dry all the way around like that. It's not. That's leaking.
Okay.
All right, my friend.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
And like I said, just turn the car around, and you'll be fine.
Thank you so much.
All right, Shree. Have a good one, my man.
Any paperwork for me to sign?
No paperwork. Good to go.